भी है तो ए कितना है, बी अभी अभी ढूंढा था हमने, करेक्ट। अब क्या ढूंढना है हमको, क्या ढूंढना है हमको, और 301 क्या है, क्या ढूंढना है, yes anybody, what is it that we have to find out?
n.
Question is, do I have to find n or do I have to find tn? Chalo, I'll make it simple for you. Do I have to find n, do I have to find tn?
Tn.
Sorry,
Tn.
tn. Somebody says n, somebody says tn. That's the confusion, and that is what is going to be there for all of you. Okay, the confusion is going to be this only, n की tn. Otherwise तो उसके बाद फॉर्मूला तो इजी है यूज करने के लिए. Now please understand, what does it say? Check if, see, the basic thing is your understanding of English. If you understand English properly, this will become easier. What does it say? Whether 301 is part of the sequence or not. That means somewhere here you have to check whether 301 comes or not. Right? If 301 comes here or not, that means 301 is already a term. अगर ये इसमें का पार्ट है तो 301 is already a term. कौन सा टर्म है वो पता नहीं है. So we say Tn is given to me. Tn is 301. मुझे ढूंढना है वो कौन सा टर्म है, फिफ्थ टर्म है, 55th टर्म है, 75th टर्म है, कौन सा टर्म है ये मुझे ढूंढना है. After that again I follow the normal procedure. What is the normal procedure? Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn is given as 30, a is given as, n मुझे ढूंढना है, d is 6, n मुझे ढूंढना है, d is 6. So Tn is a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, 301 equals to 5 plus n minus 1 d. After that all I have to do is expand this. 301 equals to 5. 6 into n is 5. 6 into minus 1 is, so this will become 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So this is 6n minus 1. Bring this minus 1 this side. So this will become 301 plus 1 equals to 6n. 301 plus 1 equals to 6n. 301 plus 1 is 302 equals to 6n. Bring this 6 this side. Since it is multiplied, this side is going to become divided. So you have 302 upon 6 equals to n. Now divide 302 by 6. Divide 302 by 6. So you will get 301 is 50 point something something. You will get 50 point something. Now you can't have a 50 point third term, can you? You can't have a term in terms of decimals. N has to be an integer. In fact, not only an integer, it has to be a positive integer. It has to be a rather a whole number. N has to be a whole number. It cannot be this. Since it is not a whole number, therefore 301 is not in the sequence. Is this visible? since n is not an integer, 301 is not in the sequence. Since n is not an integer, 301 is not in the sequence. Are we clear with this? This is one type कि tn दिया है, वो चेक करना है वो सीक्वेंस का पार्ट है या नहीं. कभी tn दिया होगा, n ढूंढना रहेगा. So this is how we are going to find n. Okay, last time what we saw was how to find tn. tn ढूंढने का सीखा, n ढूंढने का सीखा. Okay, now let's look at similar example. Let's take one more. Sorry. Yeah, those of you who cannot see this clearly, I have written since n is not an integer, since n is not an integer, 301 is not in the sequence. Since n is not an integer, 301 is not in the sequence. Those of you who want to write it down, please take it down. I'll give you a minute. Okay, then we will proceed further. Which term of the next one that we are going to solve is which term of the following AP is 560? I have to give you the AP. Again, from this first, what is given, what is to be found out. पहले A ढूंढना है, B ढूंढना है, N दिया है या नहीं, Tn दिया है या नहीं, क्या ढूंढना है उसमें, that is going to be important for me. Okay, so what is it that we have to find out? Yeah, that's the challenge. That is the question. Which term of the AP is 560? Now, 560 is the term, 560 is Tn, or 560 is N. That is what you will have to identify, and that is what is going to be the interesting part. A तो मिल गया मुझे. 11 minus 2, 9. Okay. 20 minus 11, 9. 29 minus 20, 9. So I know D is also 9. So these two parts are clear. Now the question is, sir, N 560 है या TN 560? Whether N is 560 or Tn is 560, that is what we have to identify. This says which term is 560. That means 560 is a term. 560 is a term. कौन सा term है? कुठला term आहे? Translate it into your mother tongue if you are finding it a little confusing. Which term? कौन सा term? मतलब term already है, वो कौन सा है वो ढूंढना. So term already है means term is 560. कौन सा है या कितवा है? Okay, that is what it is going to be. कौन सा है? That is what you have to find out. So how do we find that out? N equals to, that is what it is going to be. Okay, you have to find out N. All we need to is follow the steps. Tn is given, N has to be found out. So what is Tn? Tn is, what is A? N पता नहीं, D 9. Expand this. So this will be 2 plus 9n minus 9. 560 equals to 9n. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. 560 equals to 9n minus. Bring this minus 7 this side, it will become plus. So you will have 560 plus 7 equals to 9n. 560 plus 7 equals to 9n, because side changes, sign changes. This side from right hand side, it is coming to left hand side, 7. It is coming from right hand side to left hand side. So side changes, sign changes. So it has become plus 7. So 560 plus 7 becomes 567 equals to 9n. Bring this 9 this side or divide both sides by 9. So you will have 567 divided by 9 equals to n. Now if you all know 9's table, okay, if you know 9's table, this is easy. If you know 9's table, this is easy. So 9 6 are 54, 2 remainder, 9 3s are 27. $560 is the 63rd term of the AP. 560 is the 63rd term of the AP and not 53rd. Speed is of no use. You know, गाड़ी के पीछे लिखा रहता ना, speed thrills but it kills. So speed is of no use. If somebody has got 53 before me over here, still 0. I took a minute extra, but I got 63, which is the right answer. So 53 will not work. Please take a minute. Please take a minute. Don't go for speed. 63 is right.